Hi everyone, it's Erin from EB Mixed Media, and I'm doing something a little bit different today. I have received a package from UmWowStudios, and I'm going to do an unboxing. So let's get to it. I'm excited. This came in the mail last night, and I didn't have, I guess I don't need scissors. Didn't have time to do anything with it. It's been sitting on the counter taunting me. So here we go. So this is, oh wow. So this is a collaborative kit from Tina Walker, DeeDee Catron, and UmWowStudio. This is a subscription kit service that you can get from UmWowStudios. And the last three kits have been bugs, metallic, and this one's paper dolls. Well, let's do this. A nice twine, we'll keep that, right? And that's in the box. Okay, so here we've got a little package of die cuts, and it looks like an umbrella. It's got a monocle, a bow tie. That looks like an eye patch. Glasses, a crown. There's some hands in there. How cute. Oh, here's the little people. Little vest. Looks like a lady. Some bib overalls. Neat. Here's some heads. Those are fun. Oh, look at the backs. Oh, so when you look at them from either side. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Oh my gosh, is there oh, there's two bags. Wow. Okay. Look at the mutton chops. Is that what those are? Is that a beard or sideburns? I don't know. All right, and then you've got, oh, you got two bags of this as well. Oh, cool. We'll open these up in a minute. And here's another one. Oh, these are like papers and things. Oh my gosh. This is legit real. This piece of paper is totally vintage. Like it's falling apart. The United States Coast Guard. Oh, how cool is that? Received your letter. Answer. Glad to hear from you. I sure hope that you won't have to move all your furniture out, as I know that would be a lot of work and expense. If I were you, I would forget about coming up here during the holidays. Something to New Jersey Tuesday to take my old something there for assignments. Wow. It's from Earl. It's to Mrs. somebody from Earl McDonald. Baltimore, Maryland to Atlanta, Georgia. Wow. That's a real photograph too. Cool. And then here's some, so you can see the bits of that paper that's so brittle. Nice piece of tissue paper with newsprint. Very cool. And oh, this looks amazing. How do I get it out? Some gorgeous looking washi tape. Oh, it looks like kind of architectural renderings, I think. Well, I just botched that. That's there's just a piece of paper. Oh, that's cool. It looks like it's actually like site plans. These are site plans for like you know, if you're building, you have to develop a site plan for the building that goes before, say, a planning board, and it's so that the excavators and architects know what they're doing and how a property is situated on a site, and it shows all of the drainage and that sort of thing. Wow, that's cool. All right, that's neat. Shall we open these up a little bit and see everything in them? They're so cute. Oh, I love the monocle. That is hysterical. Can you see those? Umbrella. Little top hat, bow tie. Here's some arms. I definitely think that's an eye patch. How fun is that? And some groovy glasses. Super cute. And then the people. Oh, it's so cool that there's stuff on both sides. Man, that's some tall hair. And a lot of lace. She looks like someone's teacher. The mustache. Nice. Okay, that's the same. There's the little dolls, I guess. The actual sort of structure for your dolls. And DeeDee sells these boxes that are like index card file boxes that have the tracks that these can sit in for displaying. Little vest to put on your person. That's cool. Let's see, we looked at that. This is lots of goodies here. Tickets. I like this, like a tape measure, ruler thing. Hook and eye. It's cool. These are all sort of related to clothing items, or, you know, like this is the parasols and umbrellas. Here's shoes. These are the hook and eyes that you'd have to fasten your dress or your bra, I guess. Needles for sewing, raincoats, and the tape measures. It's all kind of dry goods and notions. Lingerie guards. It's all kind of related to haberdashery. Oh my gosh, look at the waist. Holy cow. What's this? What's happening? You have a beautiful face, but your nose? Oh my God. That's crazy. They're like realigning, I guess, the cartilage in your nose. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Oh, pens. Oh, so like they would sell these pens, but they'd be used as advertisement for product. So like you'd buy this set of pens and there's an ad for coffee on it. Interesting. Women, save your hands. Stove polishing mitten. That's cute. Something does not look right about her neck. And her torso seems obscenely long. Shoe Fair Stores, size 7.5. Here's some buttons. What's this little thing? I'm not sure what that is. Some pants, something there. Another lady. Some hats. Oh, you can put hats on your people. There's a bowler. Shoe repair. Trunks and traveling bags. There's some underwear or swim trunks. Oh, and that's in French. And here's American Woolen Mills. That's cool. That's a lot of good stuff. And you got a whole second one of those. It's the same. So lots and lots of goodness in here. Oh my, oh my. Let's see. Let's just put it all out here together. picture of somebody's mama. And all of our heads here. And other die cuts. Not lose anything. There you have it. That's fun. I can't wait to start playing with this stuff. It's gonna be cool. You can check these out at UmWowStudio.com if you're interested. They are super fun, and there's 2 other kits. The bugs looks delightful, and the metallics looks really cool too. And you can buy pieces a la carte too. So check it out. I'll be back soon, and I'll be making something with this stuff. Cool. All right, that's it. Thanks everybody. That was fun. See you soon. Bye.